Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexus and Company. Today we talk about the topic of cyber stalking. What is cyber stalking? The concept of cyber stalking can be defined as a crime committed by someone who stalks someone using the internet or another electronic device. The term cyber stalking and online abuse are interchangeable. It involves persistently intimidating and threatening an individual. There are many ways to stalk someone, including following them to their home or place of business, damaging their property, leaving notes or objects behind, or making obnoxious phone calls. One of the biggest advantages of this kind of crime is the anonymity that is provided to cyber stalkers. Cyber stalkings allow them to keep a check on the activities of their victim without their identity being known to the world. Therefore, effective cyber tools are required to investigate cyber crimes, be ready to protect against them, and bring victims to justice. Numerous psychological factors such as extreme narcissism, hatred, rage, retaliation, envy, obsession, mental illness, power and control, thoughts of sadomasochism and sexual deviance, and internet addiction or religious fervor might be the cause of stalking. Now, what are the major factors are provided below or under these things? So, first is fascination and attraction. Obsession and attraction may be the driving forces behind stalking. The victim might be sexually or mentally appealing to the stalker, and the line between admiring and stalking is thin. Second is erotomania. The stalker tends to believe that the victim, who is typically a stranger, a famous person, is in love with him. It always involves someone's sexual propensity. Retaliation and hate. Even though the victim is not the cause of the stalker's feelings of anger and retaliation, he or she nonetheless becomes the focus of the stalker, and the stalker's apparent preferred medium for ventilating his feelings or retaliation and hatred in the internet. Now, the third is distrust. Stalking can have a strong jealous component, especially when it involves former partners and their present companions. Last is sexual harassment. It is said to be the main motive behind cyber stalking. This is so because the internet reflects real life. Thank you so much. If any of the doubt regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments.